then give Justin.
Real fans.
Ready, boys? Get your muscles warmed up.
Okay, so there's a nail here that needs to have a vice grip pulled on it. Pull that nail out. In the bag there, you find a vice grip. It's a locking plier.
Tommy's gonna get way better.
Ben's over here. He could use that socket. How are you making out? Okay, good. What I'd like to do, guys, is two guys over here, two guys over there. We'll lift it up. All right. We'll walk it over here and we'll set it down here. Okay. Everybody listening?
Yes.
All right. And then if you two guys come over here, and then the four of you, and we're going to walk it over, put it down so that you can remove the clapper and the bell. 1, 2, 3, lift. Put it down easy. Now you're on the clapper. Hang on. Do not let go. Hang on to it. Go off the clapper. There. Now. Ready? Communicate. Lift. Easy. There's no great rush. Turn. No great rush. All right. Everybody good? All right. Everybody good? Keep going. All right. Stop. Lower the bell. Okay. Very good. Excellent.
Nice job, guys.
Now, you're going to tilt this. Watch your feet. Tilt this way. So, we have inside here, we've got the clapper. We need to break that loose to get that clapper out of there. That should be the bolt that should be the part of the bolt you're working with. You're doing a great job. Okay, so you can just lay that on the ground, and then we'll reload all this stuff up shortly.
Take a walk.
Okay, stand that out.
Tom, when you're done with
There you
that,
go. Right.
those rice
I got one more.
These bolts here. Take it out. Actually, here, let's let me do that. Somebody want to grab this? Grab that, and then you can pull that and then walk it off. There you have it. Walk it off to the grass side. Thank you. Alright, do you want to use this? Here you go. I think that's it. Pull that out now. Excellent. Okay.
Hello, we're the confirmation class of 2018. We've just taken out the First Reformed bell to be restored, and here are my fellow classmates to talk about a few things.
Yeah, this bell is a very great part of our church, and to get it restored means a lot, and it'll look very good when it's done.
This was a very fun process to do. It took a lot of work and a lot of teamwork, but we got it done.
It's been a large part of church history since it was put in the tower in 1901, and this is the first time since then that it's been off the property and being restored, so this is exciting for the church.
Carl Rickershauser for Coastal Clock and Chime. I just want to say what a wonderful experience it was to work with these young men in getting this bell stripped down and installed, ready to go back to my shop so that we can start the restoration project. And I can honestly say I've never had a better group of guys working for me. And on top of that, I haven't had so many guys work for me because it's so hard to find people to work. But I appreciate it. I hope they enjoyed the experience because I know that I enjoyed the experience. And looking forward to returning it to you and the difference that it'll make. And thank you very much for this opportunity.